So my chair is pretty creaky, but this is what you're gonna need for today's craft. I figured I would do a little craft that is, you know, easily done, quickly done, and for all ages, and also can be a nice window decoration for Halloween. This specific craft is from my childhood. We did it for Halloween once, on actual Halloween. Don't remember if we couldn't find our decorations or they had gotten ruined in a flood, actually, I think. So what we did was my dad got construction paper and tissue paper, and we made a bunch of Halloween decorations for the window. And this is one that really stuck with me. And so I wanted to share it with you. You can do it, or you can just watch it. You can show it to someone, whatever you want. Thought it would be a nice little talk through one. So you're just gonna need some scissors, a glue stick, yellow tissue paper, and some construction paper, specifically orange. You can see I have a lot of colors in here. I also had some inspiration because I was recently sick and I watched Mr. Dress Up, and so I had some inspiration. All right. So all you're gonna need is one, depending how big you want the decoration, but I suggest just one piece of orange construction paper. And you're gonna fold it in half so that you don't have to cut it out twice. Okay. Okay. And you're just going to draw a pumpkin. You can draw it however you want. Okay. That's what I got. Turn it into a jack-o'-lantern. I'm someone that likes to have the nose on my jack-o'-lantern. Too small. As you can see, I do a lot of erasing because I'm not super happy with, so I just erase, which is why I said a pencil instead of a pen. Okay, now you have two options. You can add the stem, you can color it in, you can do a different construction piece for the stem, whatever works. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do an orange stem. And then I'm gonna keep the paper folded and cut. Okay, so I wanted my stem, as you can see, a little bit thicker than it was. So I'm just going to erase the stem. Okay, now we've got two pumpkins. we're gonna take the second one. We're gonna take the first one and we're actually going to cut out the face. Okay. I'm actually gonna make the triangle bigger because to clean up my little mistake there. And on the other side, I don't know if you can see. And I almost forgot, I like to have tooth or two. Okay. I'm gonna cut that off. All right. Wow. Now we're gonna cut it out. Okay, as you can see, I cut there, but it's okay, and you'll see why in a second. Then you're gonna take your tissue paper, you only need one little sheet. You're just gonna cut a square, sort of. Make sure it fits over this. You're gonna get your glue and glue this entire one. And then you're gonna take your tissue paper and put it on there. This glue believe dries clear. I'm hoping. Looks like it's clearing up. And then I'm gonna cut around the edge of this. And then we're gonna take our jack-o'-lantern and glue it, the jack-o'-lantern side, and we're gonna glue it onto this one, lining up the edges. There we go. There we go. We have our own little jack-o'-lantern. You can add more tissue paper if you'd like, which I actually am going to do because it doesn't seem bright enough for me. So I would like to add another layer or two. And same thing. Glue it on. This time, I think what we'll do is put it on here, then put it on here. I think that's a lot better. And there we have it. Our own little jack-o'-lantern made from construction paper and tissue paper. I'm going to let the glue dry a little bit more and then I'll show you the final result. However, we have our own little jack-o'-lantern that can go in the window. Easy peasy. All right, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video. I'll show you how this looks outside as well.